In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the battery in your Volvo XC90 located in the rear cargo area. Now once you have the rear hatch open, we're going to drop the lower section as well, swing this down. Now the battery is located underneath this rear cargo cover, so go ahead and lift this up. To make this easier for us to service this cover will drop down. There are simple little bands right here. We can undo these, release that, and pull this cover out and set that aside for now. Now with that lid up and removed, we now go ahead and access the battery underneath this plate. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to loosen and remove these two bolts and this one nut. Remove this cover. I'm going to pull up and remove the plastic cover here. Let's go ahead and loosen the nut here on the ground terminal. Using our 10mm socket on our ratchet, let's go ahead and loosen this nut. And go ahead and pull that terminal off. Let's go ahead and pop this cover off. And it's going to give us access to the 10mm bolt right here. Go ahead and use that socket and ratchet to loosen. Give this a little twist. Pull that up and off. Now on the right hand side of the battery, there's going to be the lockdown plate right here. It's a 10mm bolt. So we're going to use our 10mm socket and our extension. Loosen and remove this. Set that to the side. Now you want to go ahead and check your battery. Check and see if there is a vent port on the side of the battery. You can either twist this out of the side like so, or you can pull the tube off of the 90-degree angled port. Now let's go ahead and grab that battery, lift it up and out. Go ahead and take that battery, lower this down into position. Now you do want to watch for that vent tube. Push that battery all the way over to the driver's side. Install that vent tube if your battery has it. We're now going to install that plate on the side. Once you get that bolt started, we're going to gently snug it down. Install the positive terminal on the battery. Twist it down as far as it'll go. Go ahead and grab that ratchet and we're going to snug down the nut here. And once that bottoms out, I like to give it a good maybe quarter turn and then go ahead and pop that cover on. Go ahead and grab the ground terminal, pop that on. Twist that, make sure it's down as far as it'll go. Let's go ahead and snug this down. And once it bottoms out, give it a good quarter turn. Give it a little wiggle and make sure it's secured. Now at this point here, let's go ahead and install the plastic cover. Grab your metal plate. Install the hardware. And let's go ahead and snug everything down. Install your cargo cover. Grab the bands. Pop these into place. Go ahead and lower that down. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.